It was a long time ago that there was a kingdom named Pratapgarh. The king of that kingdom was very good. But the king did not have one happiness. He did not have any child and he wanted to adopt a capable child in the kingdom so that he could become his successor and run the reign smoothly. Keeping this in mind, the king announced in the kingdom that all the children should gather in the palace. This is what happened. The king gave different types of seeds to all the children to plant and said that now we will meet after 6 months and see whose plant will be the best. Even after a month passed, there was one child in whose pot that seed had not yet sprouted, but he used to take care of it daily and used to water the plant daily. 3 months passed by. The child got worried. Then his mother said that son, be patient, some seeds take more time to bear fruits. He kept watering the plant. 6 months passed. The time had come to go to the king, but he was afraid that all the children's pots would have plants and his pot would be empty. That child was honest and all the children had come to the palace. Some children were full of enthusiasm because they had a strong desire to become the heir of the kingdom. Now the king ordered that all the children started showing their pots, but one child was scared because his pot was empty. Then the king's eyes fell on that pot and he asked, "Your pot is empty?" Then he said, "But I have taken care of this pot for 6 months. The king was happy with his honesty that his pot is empty, yet he gathered courage and came here. After seeing the pots of all the children, the king called the child in front of everyone. The child got scared and the king showed that pot to everyone. All the children started laughing loudly. The king said, "Calm down, do not be so happy, all the plants you have are barren, no matter how much hard work you do, nothing will come out of them," but this was the real seed. The king was very happy with his honesty and that child was made the heir of the kingdom. But what did we learn from the story? According to me, it is very important to have honesty within ourselves.